Number 3. SIMDER Arc 200 Portable Welding Machine. The SIMDER Arc 200 Portable Welding Machine is an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals who need a lightweight and efficient welding solution. Its compact design, paired with impressive technical specifications, makes it a standout product in the portable welding category. The SIMDER Arc 200 Portable Welding Machine offers an exceptional combination of portability, efficiency, and performance at an affordable price point. While it might not cater to high-amperage industrial needs, it's a reliable and versatile tool for most welding applications. Number 4. HITBOX Arc 200 Mini 3 Portable Welding Machine. The HITBOX Arc 200 Mini 3 Portable Welding Machine is a compact and versatile device designed for those who need a reliable, efficient, and portable arc welding solution. Here's an in-depth review of its features, performance, and usability. The HITBOX Arc 200 Mini 3 Portable Welding Machine is an excellent choice for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals who need a reliable and portable MMA welding solution. While it may not be suitable for heavy-duty industrial use, its compact design, ease of use, and consistent performance make it a valuable tool for a variety of welding tasks. It's a cost-effective option for those seeking efficiency without sacrificing portability or safety. Number 5. HITBOX Arc 200D Portable Welding Machine. The HITBOX Arc 200D Portable Welding Machine stands out as an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its compact design, reliable performance, and advanced features make it a worthy investment for various welding tasks. The HITBOX Arc 200D Portable Welding Machine is a great option for users seeking a balance between portability and performance. While it may not cater to all industrial scale needs, its efficiency, compact size, and versatility make it an excellent choice for small to medium-sized projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced welder, this machine is likely to meet your expectations for home and light professional use. Many thanks for watching this video. Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. A portable welding machine is a compact and versatile tool designed for welding tasks on the go. Unlike traditional welding machines that require a fixed setup, portable welders offer the flexibility to work in various locations, whether in remote areas, at construction sites, or for DIY projects. These machines are designed to be lightweight and easy to transport while still delivering reliable power and performance for a wide range of welding applications. With advancements in technology, modern portable welding machines are equipped with features like adjustable power settings, multiple welding modes, and user-friendly controls, making them ideal for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, repairs, or automotive projects, a portable welding machine provides convenience without compromising on welding quality. Number 1. Deko DKUS MMA 160AM Portable Welding Machine. The Deko DKUS MMA 160AM Portable Welding Machine is a compact and robust option for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking for reliable welding equipment. Designed with a steel frame and a plastic handle, this welder is both durable and easy to transport, making it an ideal choice for on-the-go welding jobs. The Deko DKUS MMA 160AM Portable Welding Machine is a solid and reliable choice for anyone needing a versatile and portable welder. It offers excellent value for money, combining strong performance with user-friendly design. Ideal for light to medium-duty welding tasks, it provides consistent results with ease of use. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, portable welding machine, this model is certainly worth considering. Number 2. Arccaptain Arc 200 Portable Welding Machine. The Arccaptain Arc 200 portable welding machine is an excellent choice for professionals and hobbyists seeking a reliable and efficient welding solution. With a compact design and robust performance, this machine stands out in its category. The Arccaptain Arc 200 portable welding machine is a dependable and versatile welding tool that delivers excellent value for its price. Its portability, wide functionality, and safety features make it a standout choice for anyone looking to invest in a quality welding machine. Whether you're repairing machinery, fabricating metal structures, or working on creative welding projects, the Arc 200 is a reliable companion.